Hey, what's up guys? John from S&S Cycle here. We're back for our third part on how to install our power package. We've got the Dyno on the Dyno and we're ready to test it to see what kind of horsepower and torque it actually makes. Before we do that, let's review what we've done so far as a break-in procedure per our S&S instructions. We went ahead and started up the Dyno for a minute, let it run at an idle, and then turn it off and completely cool down. After that, we went and checked through the engine, making sure there's no leaks, and we fired it back up for a 5-minute run. After the 5-minute run at idle, we turned it off, checked to see if there's any leaks, and see if the motor got hot. This is a good indication everything was working perfectly, so we took it out on the road for a 50-mile run. During your 50-mile break-in, you want to make sure you're not cracking the throttle aggressively, and you don't want to run it under hot temperatures. You want to keep it at probably around about 60 miles an hour or 3,500 RPM. After this, we brought it into the dyno room and we're ready to test it and see what kind of horsepower it makes. Let's get to it. In this chart, you will see the stock horsepower is shown with the solid red line and the torque by the dashed red line, as well as the S&S horsepower shown with the solid blue line and the S&S torque by the dashed blue line. After spending some time on the dyno, we are happy to report the 100-inch power package bumped horsepower from 77 to a healthy 95, and torque from 79 to 105, with the bulk of the gains in 2,500 to 4,000 RPM range, where this bike likes to live. And there you have it, the S&S 4-inch power package. If you enjoyed this series and thought it was helpful, make sure to give us a like or a comment. And always follow us on our social media channels. And for more information about our product, check sscycle.com.